What do you guys think? So far, so good? Come on now. You gotta show some love. Holy crud. Holy crud. Rich Curry's going upside down. This big kiss of death. Again. Lance Corey going upside down. Do we have any freestyle fans out there now? Come on. Nice OKOT right there. As we are getting work done, the boys warming up on their tricks. One more for Garrett Al.